Hey guys, so I am making this video to go over the classwork that you just had while I was absent because there were a lot of issues with it. So here we go. Number 139 looks like this. Oops. I was using the eraser. Okay, so 3 over x squared plus 20x. So if you read the directions, it said just to set up the partial fractions. You didn't actually need to solve. So in this situation, you'll see you'll have a few questions like that on the test. You need to first, do what we always do, factor the denominators. So I see here, I can factor out an x. So that denominator turns into 3 over x parentheses x plus 20. Then I examined the denominator and I noticed that it is distinct linear, meaning they both have powers of 1s and they're different. So if that's the case, you set up capital A over the first one plus capital B over the second one. And that's all you had to do. That was your answer for, again, this was number 139. The next problem I gave you was 140. So for that problem, you have x minus 8 over x squared minus 3x minus 28. And again, same thing. The directions were the same. You first start by factoring the denominator. I noticed right away it's a trinomial. So we have product and sum. And so two numbers that work here would be -7 and +4. And so the denominator turns into x, the numerator, and then the denominator is x minus 7, x plus 4. Once again, I examine what kind of denominator I have. I do have distinct linear factors. So I have capital A over the first one, and capital B over the second one. And that's it. That's all you had to do. Now keep in mind, by the way, that if you did write x plus 4, let's just say, I'm going to put it in red over here. Let's just say you had x plus 4 first and then x minus 7. It doesn't matter. So you would have just had an x plus 4 and with an a on top and an x minus 7 with the b on top. So that part doesn't matter. Well, the only thing you got to be careful is when you're solving, you want to make sure you put in the correct value where it belongs. So if A is, let's say 3, then 3 would have to go here. You can't put 3 in place of B. Okay, but the order of the factors doesn't matter. All right, so that's that. Now the other two, which are probably the ones that I saw the most mistakes, as 148. Was way more mistakes than 150. So let's do that. Hold on one second. I'm gonna have to just erase this, I guess. Thought there was a way to clear the page. Actually, I'm gonna stop the video and I'm gonna do another video for the other two.